Any tablets, isn't it?
Well, do you know, it's, yeah, when you're depressed, you know, just go out with your dogs and they cheer you up because they want to be happy. Yeah. They just want to play. Look at that. Is he a young one? You're...
Like 2.5.
2.5, yes.
Yeah,
oh, yeah, he's in his full prime. Oh, you rescued, yes.
Lovely. And we've got a cat as well.
Oh, yes.
And if you've seen it, it's lovely.
They get on well,
yeah. She comes, like Ralph, Ralph the big dog.
Yeah.
I think that when he was a puppy, they took his brothers and sisters away too soon.
Ah, because he's not so good.
He knows how to play, but he's not sure how to play.
Yes, can see it, can't you? Yeah.
You know.
And he's met his match with mine because he loves pumping. Not that he could do anything, but they're both...
Ralph does. Ralph,
yes.
Only on Labradors.
Oh, yeah, they pick their dogs. Yeah, he only does it to big dogs, mine. Yeah, which is lucky. But but they're both... Oh, he's a bit old, my dog. You went down there. Yeah, you went down, didn't you? But you're up again. Yeah. Oh, look at him. Yeah, Ralph's a bit of a pest. He's after your one. He's jealous. That's what it is, yeah.
He's jealous.
Oh, this is all on video, by the way. You're on YouTube later. Oh, yeah. This. Well, you're... What? You're a YouTuber as of...
I'm bloody mad on it, I am.
Are you?
No,
I love YouTube. So informative.
Well, I tell you what, you know, when you go back years ago, you'd sort of say, you know, when you go... Well, how'd you do that? Well, you know...
You can find out how to fix washing machines, anything.
Yeah.
I find that.
Yeah.
And it's really well done. Yeah. People are really...
Well, people get money off it, but good luck to them.
Well, oh, absolutely. No, mine's rolling in it now. Oh, voila, mon chouchou. He loves rolling in the solo, Ralpho. He's an Old English. Yes. I had one, actually, a rescue. He was a deaf. They have a genetic deafness issue. Yeah. Couldn't keep him long because my boyfriend got fed up with him being in the shower with me as well.
Did he?
Oh, he's always mucky.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, you've kept yours groomed,
well, I got
obviously.
a shower. I put a shower outside.
Ah, that's the answer. And, excellent. You need it hot too, yes.
Well, you know, you wouldn't get in a cold shower, would you? Or
well,
if you did, you'd be out of it quick.
I end with cold showers.
Yeah. I can cool it down, but I wouldn't, you know...
Yes, no, you don't take a cold shower. Oh, they're all right. They'll sort it out.
Yeah.
They'll sort it out.
Really,
he's not that...
But Ralphie,
he doesn't know how to play. No.
But he needs a dog.
Yeah.
He needs a dog
to
give him a... Because he's a bully.
Well, that's what happened to him. When he was about 2 years old, he went for a dog that was, you know, his size, but he got taught a lesson. He got a cut paw.
Oh yeah,
he wouldn't do it again.
No.
And then he got a yelling at from me and a whacking. Yeah. I mean, don't talk about that in England, of course. You know how to hit dogs, apparently. Honestly, the laws are ridiculous. You're not allowed to beat them, you know, like repeat it. But the odd whack, stops a dog fight for starters. Yeah. Well, not that you want... Not that I've never interfered in a dog fight. As I said, when he had his little session when he was about 2 years old, and I gave him such a spanking after.
Yeah.
And,
but sometimes, you know, people don't read what dogs are saying.
No.
He's protecting you.
Yes, as well.
You know.
Yes, as well. Yeah. So, yeah, me yelling makes it worse.
But the other dog, the black dog, she's a great guard dog.
Oh, she's good. Yes.
You know, and I say to my missus, I say, do not... Do not shout today. Because the day that the burglar comes in, dog thing, I ain't saying
and the
nothing.
law's stupid because you can be done then if he hurts the burglar.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, the burglar wouldn't leave my bloody house, I tell you that now.
Well, yeah, it wouldn't be the dog, it would be you, yeah. Same here.
You know, I think, and this is where like the law...
The law's wrong.
You know, well, what was it saying? You know, basically, if you step on my... You're under my terms.
Yes, that's how it should be. My property, my terms.
But the trouble is with society today, that many do-gooders who, you know, oh, what about the person who raped? Not the person who was raped.
Well, yeah.
The raper.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Oh, well, don't talk to me about those as well.
Oh,
yes,
cop,
awful.
They're talking about that cop, They're still going to give him his pension. Well, I tell you what.
I know. Yeah, he should be on the streets. Hello, puppy. Yeah, I saw that. That's in the news at the moment. Yeah. He's done multiple. He's going to get 22 grand pension.
See, but the thing is, though, for me, okay, he should get done.
Yeah.
But it's the bosses that should get done.
Yes, they employed him. They employed him.
And that's what a boss is about.
The shit starts at the top.
It does.
That's my view.
That's why they have deputies.